Hello everyone, I am Ashar Saeed, a student at Aligarh Muslim University. Right now I am pursuing my masters in cybersecurity and digital forensics, and I am very happy to share my experience and feedback in the internship which I have just completed, that was conducted by FireShark Technologies. This internship was basically about the various aspects of cybersecurity, in which I have learned a lot of things, whether it is a theoretical thing like cyber crimes and laws, or it is practical things like using different types of cyber security tools and operating systems like Parrot operating system, another things also. And well, it was really a wonderful experience. One of the best thing I like about this internship was the time to time career guidance by senior mentors. They guide us about the paths which we can follow in our future to maintain our good career. Another thing is the FireShark team is very helpful, whether it is a front end team or it is a back end team. Whenever I faced any kind of problem, they really help me and they give me response as soon as they can. And one thing more about the assignments were very research based, and we have to research a lot about the questions given by our mentors, and we have to write those answers in our own words. So overall my experience was really wonderful, and I would like to thank FireShark Technologies for giving me this opportunity to attend this kind of internship. And I will definitely recommend this type of internships to others also, and I hope that whatever I have learned from this internship I will apply those aspects, those, whether it is practical or theoretical aspects, in my future, and definitely it will help me in my future also. Once again, thank you very much.